Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back again. I always appreciate you spending time with me. Today we're going over everything I worked on in June. My whips, my finishes, my new start, and then we'll wrap up with my monthly and yearly stats. Grab your coffee, grab your project, and let's get into it. I only touched 2 whips in June, which is unusual for me because I normally bounce around between several. But these 2 were important, meaningful, and honestly, just calling my name. The first one is When I Lost You by Mandy Manzano from Diamondart Club. It's 27.6 by 27.6 inches and has 49 colors. I'm so close to finishing this one. I only have the top 2 rows left, and I've already started both corners. The light blue across the top is basically all that is left. So I'm confident this will be a July finish. In June, I put 2 hours into it, bringing my total time so far to 49 hours. I started this one way back on October 20th, 2025, and I worked on my whips based on how I'm feeling. And this one has been emotionally important to me. So even though progress was small this month, it was meaningful. I used Harbor Freight containers to kit up When I Lost You, and I had some overflow, so I used the little container that I got off of Amazon. My second whip that I worked on was by Heartful Diamonds. It's a custom portrait of my mother. This one is a round drill kit with 48 colors, and I started it on May 30th, Mother's Day. In June, I worked on it for 12 hours, bringing my total to 22 hours so far. The canvas and glue are actually really nice. The backing is soft, it has good glue, but the rendering and drill quality are not great. Drills are inconsistent, the image clarity isn't DAC level, but the subject matter is my mother, so I'm committed to finishing it even if the quality isn't perfect. I also used Harbor Freight containers to kit up my mother's custom. Those were the only 2 whips I touched in June. Now let's move on to the fun part, the finishes. I had 3 completions in June, and each one has its own story. The first one is Taurus by Dakota Detweiler from Diamondart Club. This is my first finish for June and one I'm really proud of. The size is 25.6 by 31.9 inches or 65 by 81 centimeters. It has 66 colors. It's a square kit. I started it April 2nd, 2025 and completed it June 15th, 2026. I worked on it for 39 hours in June. The total time I put into the project overall was 60 hours. This is my 16th completion in 2026 and my 52nd completion of all time. I also purchased the DP Sparklers enhancement kit. I'm a tourist, so this canvas was special to me from the moment I bought it. The sparkler enhancements made it absolutely glow. The colors, the details, the shine, everything came together beautifully. This is how I have Taurus kitted up. It's also the Harbor Freight containers, but rather than carrying all those individual storage boxes around and having several, I just decided to use this box and put everything in here. My second finish is Make Life Sweet by Jennifer Lambian from Diamondart Club. It's my second finish for June and is such a cheerful and happy canvas. The size is 25 by 20 inches and 63.6 by 50.7 centimeters. It has 48 colors. I started it January 1st, 2026 and completed it June 21st, 2026. I worked on it for 15 hours in June, and overall, it took me 23 hours to complete it. It is my 17th completion for 2026 and my 53rd completion of all time. I also purchased the enhancements from DP Sparklers for this one as well. This one was just fun. Bright colors, cute details, and the sparkler enhancements added so much personality. It worked up quickly and was a nice break from the larger, more intense canvases I've been doing. I also used Harbor Freight containers for Make Life Sweet. My third finish for June is extra special because it was a gift for my husband. It's Eddie Van Halen's guitar by Diamond Painting Pro. It's 60 by 50 centimeters, has 40 colors, and is a round drill kit. I started this canvas November 21st, 2025, and finished it June 29th, 2026. My husband picked this one out and asked me to do it for him, and since his birthday is July 6th, I really wanted to finish it in time. I was honestly very impressed with Diamond Painting Pro. I don't know anything about their licensing or artists, but the glue was great and the drills were extremely consistent, and the canvas quality surprised me. The only downside was the thin plastic cover, which came in 2 sections. Not my favorite. But overall, I enjoyed this one way more than I expected. It had a lot of confetti, especially in the blurred or watercolor style areas, but it was fun and kept me engaged. I'd absolutely buy from them again if I saw an image I liked. This is what I used to kit up Eddie Van Halen guitar. I purchased this from Muni Made. The canvas kit did not come with stickers for the drills, so I numbered these containers 1 through 54. These tops pop off, which is convenient, and the drills don't fall out if it tips over. You don't have to worry about unscrewing the bottles. You can just open that, and it's not hard to open, and pour your drills. And then whenever I found I needed to just place a couple single drills, I pull the top off, put my pen in, and it's really easy. I like these. So I'm glad I have 2 of them. Now we're moving over to my new starts for June. I only had 1 new start in June, and it's a big one. Moments of Tranquility by Miss Holly from Diamond Art Club. It's 25.6 by 36.2 inches or 65 by 91.8 centimeters. It has 80 colors, 2 ABs, and 7 fairy dust. It's a square drill. I started it June 22nd, 2026. I've put 12 hours into it in June. I'm doing this canvas as a buddy paint along with Painting Sparkles, and we're both posting weekly updates on Instagram on Sundays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're doing 1 section per week, and I'm loving it so far. This canvas has a lot of color blocking, which is refreshing after all the confetti-heavy projects I've been doing. The fairy dust drills are gorgeous. They add such a magical shimmer. I also have an unboxing and a kitting up video for this one on my channel if you want to check those out. For Moments of Tranquility, I am using these cat-eared tray bricks. I have a zipper container that all of these can go in. It's just at my desk where I do crafting. In total, I worked on 6 canvases in June, 2 whips, 3 finishes, and 1 new start. If you've seen my previous whip videos, you know I have 11 active whips, so I'll be adding more into my rotation in July. I'll share my July plans soon. Let's quickly go over my June 2026 monthly review. I spent 109 hours diamond painting in the month of June. I touched 6 canvases, purchased 0, and that's 13 less purchased than June of 2025. So that was a good thing. I sold 0, gifted 1, and finished 3. We're also going to go over my yearly stats. Since November of 2024, I've purchased a total of 305. 4 of those were gifted to me. I finished 55 canvases, sold 123, and gifted 45, putting my current stash or collection at 82 kits. I'm really proud of how much progress I've made in reducing my stash and focusing on the kits I truly love. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you so much. If you're enjoying these videos, please click like and subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel grow. And if you made it this far, leave a flower emoji down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.